Now, Temu is giving $10 for every new person you refer to download the app and every person who reinstalls the app after 14 days of uninstalling it. But here's the catch. It works only if that referred person purchases something on the app within 30 days. So what do you do to ensure that you are referring people and actually getting the money? Is it to share to a bunch of random strangers, friends, or families? Because except you are certain that they will be buying something, it's almost a complete waste of time, which is why in today's video, I will be showing you how you can get unlimited app downloads with your referral link and actually get paid. Now, this system that I will be revealing to you is one that has worked well for me in multiple areas when it comes to affiliate marketing. And now, to those who are not familiar with how Temu affiliate marketing works, Temu is actually an online marketplace where you can shop different categories of goods, and with their affiliate program, you get to refer people, and for every person that you refer and purchases, you get a commission. Now, if you look at my screen right here, you can see that there are a lot of payouts to people like you and I every minute. And this is to show you that this actually works. So what you want to do is you want to click on Get Started. You want to sign up and you want to log in. Now, this is a new account. And of course, in order to sign up, you can do that by clicking the link in the description below. And if you use that link, you will be able to get $100 worth of coupon to buy anything on Temu Marketplace. And once you've signed up and you've logged in, it will take you to this dashboard like this. This is practically a new affiliate account. And once you're logged in, if you look on the side, you can see that there are different categories when it comes to this affiliate platform. We have the affiliate, you have the influencer, the hot items, the invite affiliate, and of course the data center. And I will be sharing how each of these works step by step. Now, when it comes to the affiliates, you get a reward for every person that you refer who downloads the app for the first time. So you can see a $10 reward for every referral who downloads and orders within the next 30 days. And mind you, if that person doesn't place an order or purchase, it actually expires. For example, if you look at this here, these were installed users that didn't place an order, and you can see that it actually got expired. Now, this $10 download reward is for every referral who downloads the app newly and for every reinstalled user. That means if the user has uninstalled it for over 14 days and reinstalls it through your link, you also get a $10 reward. And in addition to that, you also get 20% commission on any order placed by your referral within 30 days of when your referral downloads the app through your link. Also, you get 5 to 20% commission if you refer an already existing app user through your link and that person makes a purchase. Now, with that, you can easily go here to get your referral link. You can simply click Share to Earn, and it's going to pop up with your referral link, which you can copy. If you also scroll down, you can see each of your links. You can see that for the $100 coupon, free gifts, exclusive deals. Now, when your referral signs up through your link, they would also be able to get a $100 coupon bundle, free gifts, exclusive deals, save big, and $2 cash when they sign up for the affiliate program. The next part of this affiliate and influencer program is the influencer. Now, when it comes to this influencer, this is in reference to having to influence Temu on your social media page. So what you want to do is you will be able to authorize your account here. If you click on authorize account, you will be able to get $300 authorized credit to purchase things and of course be able to influence Temu products. You also get $2,500 post reward per month. You get free sponsorship value up to $10,000, and of course commission range expanded. Now, also when it comes to the influencer program, when you refer people who are new app users, you also get 20% commission and also a $10 download reward for every new app user and also reinstalled users. You can also join their different campaigns, which you can join to earn. You can see the Spring Sale Poster campaign, Temu's Warehouse, special green screen, and all of that. You just simply want to click Join to Earn. When you click Join to Earn for the campaign, you want to read the requirement, what you are supposed to do, what kind of videos you are supposed to make. And they are going to tell you the requirements which you are going to use in creating the videos for Temu. So you can see the requirements are for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You can read the requirements here. This is how the duration of the video. It must be at least 3 minutes. The shots, no shorter than 10 seconds. You can see the engagement criteria. the visibility, the content requirements. So you want to read through and ensure that you follow step by step each of the process so you can be able to get paid. So now you want to simply click on join campaign, which will enable you to be able to copy and post your link. So you can see your code link over here, which you can share to your viewers or your followers. Now, this is also applicable to all of them, all the others here. For everyone you want to join, you want to open it and you want to read the content so that you can know the requirements for the videos that you are going to be creating as an influencer. The next thing is the hot items. And with these hot items, this is where you will be able to search for items and get affiliate link for each product. For example, if I want to promote this product here over bed table, I can simply click share. Once I click share, I will be able to copy this link, and this link I can share it anywhere, and whoever clicks that link, it will take that person straight to the landing page of this product, and the person will be able to purchase straight away through my link, of which I will get a commission from it. Now, you also want to be able to use the invite affiliates. This is where you can invite other people to join the affiliate program, and you also see your affiliate code here. Then here is also the data center, and with the data center you'll be able to see how people interact with your link, how much commissions you've made, how many app downloads you've gotten, the download reward, the order commission, the number of clicks, and so on like that. Now, just like I said earlier, you need to keep it in mind that if your referral doesn't purchase within the next 30 days, even if the person downloads the app, it will be cancelled and you would not get paid, meaning you will not get your download reward, and of course you won't get any commission, which is why it is not strategic to just share your link all around to family, friends, strangers, post on Facebook group, because there is no guarantee that over the next 30 days any of them is going to purchase. Instead, what you want to do is you want to create a theme page. What are theme pages? Theme pages are simply pages that are solely focused on a particular niche. Like I said, I've already attached a video, I've added a card up on how you can create an Instagram theme page. However, I would suggest that you utilize TikTok, because TikTok is really gaining traction and you can reach more people in shorter period of time. Now, I would prefer that you already use a TikTok account that is over 1,000 followers, and this is so that you will be able to put links in your bio, as new TikTok accounts do not have that feature. So if you do not have a TikTok account, you're just signing up for a new one, you want to leverage either Instagram or you want to leverage YouTube Shorts. The next thing you want to do is you want to pick a niche. Now, this has nothing to do with whatever you are passionate with or what you are interested with. It could be anything at all. This is because you are not even going to be creating content. It could be any niche at all, whether it's gadgets, accessories, whatever it is. So let's say we are going with gadgets. So this is an example of a theme page. So if you look at it, you can't really see a particular face, or you can't put a face to this particular TikTok account. So next thing you want to do is you want to go on TikTok and you want to search Temu made me buy it. And once you search that, you would see a lot of products that are under that, a lot of gadgets which you can obviously find on Temu, which people have already posted videos about. Now, you want to pick a cool gadget that has a lot of views, because that is an indication that people are actually interested and inclined to that gadget. You want to pick as many gadgets as you want. And of course, I would suggest that you pick multiple videos displaying that gadget. So now you can see this cell phone holder. So since we know that this particular cell phone holder is getting a lot of views, you want to look for other videos that are similar to this kind of phone holder. You can also go ahead to check this particular TikTok account and see more of those phone holders. So you can see if you go to their TikTok account, you can see multiple videos. And of course, the next thing you want to do is you want to download each video. Now you can download it using this TikTok downloader, sstik.io. You want to simply go to TikTok. So what you want to do is you want to click on it. You want to copy the link. You want to go over to this particular platform and you want to paste the link. Then you will be able to download this video. So you can click without watermark and you can see our video is downloaded over to our computer system. Now, you want to download as many of those videos as you can find. And of course, once you have downloaded all these videos, the next thing you want to do is you want to start posting them on TikTok. Now, you may want to give credit to whomever it is due. You want to upload multiple videos of these gadgets, and I suggest that you upload at least 1 to 2 times daily. So you can schedule your post ahead of time with the TikTok website, which makes this particular strategy super easy. And in a minute, I'm going to be showing you the reason why we are doing this and why this is more effective than the random sharing of your links to strangers or friends or family. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to go and set up a Linktree shop. Now, Linktree is totally free to access and Linktree shop is also free. What you want to do is you want to go to Linktree and of course, create a Linktree account, go to my shop. I want to click on add. Mind you want to go and find that particular product on Temu. So you can see this is the cell phone holder. If we show more, just to have other views of it, you can scroll down and we're going to see others. You can see this is also it. This is also it here. Now, what you want to do is you want to share and you want to copy this link. And when you copy it, you want to go over to Linktree and add a product. Now with Linktree, you are able to create a shop because you can't have multiple links on your TikTok bio. So you're going to create a Linktree shop that would embody all of the links to your gadgets. And of course, as you keep adding more, posting more, you want to keep adding more of those links to your shop. So you're going to paste that link and we're going to click it. So the next thing is you want to put a title. So you can say amazing car phone holder. You can check the price on Temu and it says $3.81. I want to go back to Linktree and put that. Then you can also go and of course get a photo. So you can download the image here, go back to your Linktree, add it to your shop. So this is how you want to add multiple items to your shop. Now this way you are actually attracting people who are actually interested in buying that product, because once they see your videos and they are attracted to what you're posting, they'll be inclined to go to your TikTok bio. Once they click on your link, they'll be able to see your shop. You can see this is how it will appear on your shop. And once they click it, it will take them immediately to this Temu landing page where they can purchase immediately. And if they are new users, it will first of all, of course, prompt them to download it, sign up before they can, of course, make payments. And that way, not just are you getting commission as an affiliate, you are also ensuring that your download reward gets to you because you are making sure that the new app downloads or those who reinstalled after 14 days are also making payment for a product. And if those particular people already have the app downloaded, you still make a commission on this. And this is by far the best way to approach this particular Temu affiliate marketing program and get unlimited app downloads and commission for your hard work. So that way you are winning on both ends. Now this is super lucrative, requires very little time and requires zero money at all. Now it is super important to know the kind of niche to pick because you want to pick a niche that people are actively interested in within your location or country. That means what kind of products are people mostly inclined to shop online for and the kind of products that are doing well. And I'll be revealing how you can find the perfect niche for you. You want to click the video you see on your screen right now where I show you how you can use Google to discover your niche and make the most from Temu affiliate marketing.